Hello everyone, today we're going to be comparing and contrasting TCP and UDP protocols. This is exam objective 1.2. Alright, so here we have some key features of both UDP and TCP. As we can see, I've contrasted and compared TCP and UDP. This is what you need to know for your exam objectives. In a few minutes, we're going to dive into both TCP and UDP a little further. Just go ahead and take a quick look at this and notice that what I have over here is kind of like the opposite on UDP. These two protocols, they kind of do the same thing, except for TCP is reliable, whereas UDP is not. So down here below, I've listed some of the TCP and UDP applications and the port numbers that they use. You definitely want to know these for your exam. So I'd go ahead and take a, not really needed, as to what these are and put that in memory there. Alright, so the TCP protocol. It's a connection-oriented protocol that is defined at the transport layer, which is also, I'm sure you guys know this by now, the fourth layer of the OSI model. It provides a reliable delivery of data. Alright, so over to the right here, you're going to see source port, destination port, so on and so forth. Down in the description below, I'm going to go ahead and paste what these are. It's kind of boring for you guys to sit here and listen to that, but it is important to know. So I'm going to go ahead and put that down below in the description box. So go ahead and give that a check out. So the sender's TCP stack contacts the destination TCP stack to establish a connection, and that creates what's called a virtual circuit. It's one of the things that makes TCP a reliable protocol. TCP is kind of like making a phone call, and by that I mean we all establish that connection to the other person at the beginning. And you could compare that to creating that virtual circuit. So if you were given important information, you might say, hey, did you get that? Because you want the other person to understand. Kind of like the acknowledgements, as you can see over here, it's designed to get verification. So the devices that are communicating and agree on amount of data to be sent before coming to an agreement from the receiver. And that's going to be known as the window size. So the UDP protocol, it's like TCP's evil brother, right? But it's also useful in certain applications. So UDP protocol, it's a connectionless transport layer protocol in the TCP IP protocol stack that allows datagrams to be exchanged without acknowledgements or delivery guarantees. This is an example. UDP is like sending the postcard, right? It doesn't require contacting the party before you send it. You simply write the message, put the address on there, and send it. It's analogous to how the connectionless protocol UDP works. So since it's a postcard, it's probably not a matter of life or death, so you don't need an acknowledgement of its delivery. It does not create a virtual circuit. It doesn't even contact the destination before delivering information to it. UDP is also considered a connectionless protocol. It assumes the application uses its own reliability method. And as with TCP, the little segment over here on the right, I'm going to paste all the descriptions for, the source port, the destination port, length, checksum, and application data, all down in the description below. I'd like to thank everyone that viewed this video. I hope you guys are enjoying this series. The next video will be Objective 1.3, and I should have that out before the middle of next week, so probably by like Tuesday. So anyways, guys, go ahead and like, subscribe if you're not already. I'll see you guys next time around. Peace.